The most popular commercial blender isn't always the best. That's what I learned the hard way. Everyone talks about power and capacity, but when you actually need one for daily heavy use, the real differences show up in durability, noise, and how it handles real-world tasks like crushing ice or making hot soup. Let's cut through the hype. Product number 1, PSI-IDAN 68 Oz Pro Blender. First up, the PSI-IDAN 68 Oz Blender. This thing looks serious, black finish, big jar, and a separate 20 Oz grinder cup. At over $500, it's positioned as a premium home or light commercial option. If you want a blender that can handle family-sized smoothies and double as a coffee grinder, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1400W motor with 1800W peak power and 6-blade stainless steel system means it pulverizes frozen fruit and ice in seconds, no chunks, no waiting. The 68 Oz BPA-free jar is perfect for big batches, and the self-cleaning function saves you time after messy nut butter or soup blends. Plus, the adjustable speed control and timer let you walk away while it works. It's built with overload protection, so it won't burn out if you push it too hard. Now, some people complained about overheating if the jar is overfilled, and honestly, that's a real issue. The manual even warns you not to fill it past the max line, or it'll shut off and need a cool down. Here's the thing though, if you follow the guidelines and don't try to blend a whole watermelon in one go, it runs smoothly. It's not a flaw in the motor, just a safety feature that kicks in too aggressively. This is perfect for you if you need a multifunctional blender for smoothies, grinding spices, and making soups all in one machine. Skip this one if you're on a budget or only blend small amounts. For the price, it's packed with features most commercial blenders don't offer at home. Product number 2, WantJoy 68 Oz Commercial Blender. Now, if the PSI-IDAN's price made you pause, the WantJoy blender at just over $110 might catch your eye. It's ETL listed, which means it meets commercial safety standards, and it's built for both home and light commercial use. If you want pro-level performance without the pro-level price tag, this one's a sleeper hit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1800W motor spins at up to 30,000 RPM, faster than many blenders, twice its price. That means ice crushing in under 10 seconds, silky smooth nut butters, and even raw fish pureed safely for dishes like ceviche. The 2L thickened PC container is sturdy and comes with a tamper, so you can push ingredients down without stopping. The timer function, 5 minutes, lets you set it and walk away, perfect if you hate the noise but still want hands-free blending. Now, some people complained about the plastic container scratching easily over time. Here's the thing though, it's still BPA-free and dishwasher safe. And for under $120, you're getting commercial-grade power most brands reserve for $300+ models. This is perfect for you if you run a small cafe, smoothie bar, or just want a powerful blender on a budget. Skip this one if you need ultra-quiet operation or plan to blend hot liquids daily. The container isn't designed for high heat long-term. Product number 3, Hamilton Beach 908R Bar Blender. Alright, that was a high-power option. But the next one on my list takes a simpler, more reliable approach. The Hamilton Beach Commercial 908R. This is a classic bar-style blender used in actual restaurants and hotels. At $151, it's built for consistency, not flashy features. If you want something that just works day after day, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1 HP motor and wave action system pull ingredients down into the blades continuously, so you get smooth results without chunks, even with thick shakes or frozen cocktails. The 44 Oz break-resistant polycarbonate container is lightweight yet tough, and the suction feet keep it locked in place during use. It's manual, just high, low, and off, which means fewer things can break. Now, some people complained about the lack of speed control or timer. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for gourmet blending. It's built for speed and reliability in busy environments. If you're making 50 margaritas an hour, you don't need 15 speeds, you need something that doesn't quit. This is perfect for you if you run a bar, small cafe, or need a no-nonsense blender for high-volume drinks. Skip this one if you want to make nut butters, soups, or need precise texture control. It's not built for that. Product number 4, VEVOR68 Oz Shielded Blender. Now, if noise has been an issue with your current blender, the VEVOR with its soundproof shield might be your answer. At $161, it's mid-range but packed with smart design choices. If you want powerful blending without waking up the whole house, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2200W motor, 1400W rated, runs at 2600 RPM with 4 stainless steel blades that crush ice and frozen fruit fast. But the thickened soundproof cover keeps noise under 75 dB that's quieter than a normal conversation. Plus, it prevents splatter so your counter stays clean. Now some people complained about the plastic build feeling less premium than metal models. Here's the thing though, it's ETL and CE certified, so it's safe and durable for daily use. The BPA-free jar is impact-resistant, and for home or light commercial use, it holds up well. This is perfect for you if you blend early in the morning or late at night and don't want to disturb others. Skip this one if you need to blend hot soups regularly. The container isn't optimized for high heat over long periods. Product number 5, Senley 80 Oz Heavy Duty Blender. Finally, the Senley 80 Oz blender, the largest capacity on this list. At $317, it's built for families, parties, or small commercial kitchens. If you want to make smoothies for 8 people at once, this is the one. The 80 Oz 2.2L BPA-free jar is huge, perfect for big batches, and the soundproof cover keeps noise down. The feeding lid lets you add ingredients mid-blend, and the self-cleaning function saves time. Now, some people complained about the size. It's 19.6 inches tall and might not fit under low cabinets. Here's the thing though, Senley designed it specifically for US kitchen standards, so if you have the space, it's a powerhouse. It's not meant to be tucked away. This is perfect for you if you host often or run a small juice bar. Skip this one if you have limited counter space or only blend for 1 or 2 people. So which one wins? The PSIIDAN is feature-rich but pricey. The Want Join offers insane value for under $120. The Hamilton Beach is the workhorse pros trust. The VEVOR wins on quiet operation, and the Senley dominates on capacity. Your best pick depends on your needs, not the sales pitch. Pick the one that fits your kitchen, your budget, and how you actually use it.